Hello guys, hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to share an Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial on how to reverse a video in Premiere Pro. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. First of all, open your project and select the video you want to reverse. Press and hold the Alt key, then drag the video to create a copy and place it after the original clip. Right-click on the duplicated video, then select Speed/Duration. A pop-up window will appear where you'll find the option for reverse speed. Check this option and press OK. Now play the clip to check if it works. Yes, it works perfectly. However, reversing a video can sometimes make your computer laggy as it puts extra load on your system. To make playback smoother, go to the Preview Quality option and select 1/4 resolution to reduce the preview quality. Don't worry, this won't affect the final output quality when you render the video. It only improves playback performance. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.